Hello, this is Seamus in 7MYW. Well, today is going to be slightly off topic from ham radio, which is what I normally will video or present on my YouTube channel. But today I have a new special kilt. As many of you know, I am a dedicated kilt wearer. Very proud of my Scottish heritage and ancestry. And I've been wearing kilts for quite a few years now, about 14 years, 13 years. But this time, I decided to order a kilt from the USA Kilts and Celtic Traditions Company back in Pennsylvania. So a shout out to USA Kilts. I will tag you in the comments below and also put a link for anybody interested in their kilts. But this is the first time I've ordered one from USA Kilts. I have been a member of their Facebook page for quite a long time, for years, but just not pulled the trigger on getting a kilt from them. So today is the first time. But this particular tartan is something I've been wanting for a long time. So, without further ado, we're going to go down and I'm going to open this thing up. See if I can do this and have it work on the camera okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is going to pull things out one at a time. First thing is, ourselves a nice sheet of paper. Nice little card talking about the American Dream tartan. There they are. There are the signature candies that they give you. I ordered one of their kilt hangers. Very nice kilt hangers. And very well done. And there it is. That is the kilt. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to set those there for a second. And let's take a photograph so that I have this for later on as a still. It'd be nice to have one of those. But, this particular kilt, the tartan, is called Kilts and Culture. And I was able to see one of these finally in person a few weeks back, and I was really impressed by its color. I really, really like it. So here we go. And that is what it looks like. So I'm going to put that down right there. Right there. And that is it. Quite a really, really delightful tartan. I've got to admit, it is one of the prettier ones that I have seen. This is a universal tartan, so this pretty much can be worn by anybody. But, you know, that's a good thing. So, I'm going to take these off of here. Kilt hanger off. Here are the pleats on the back. Just so you can see. This is a high quality. Now this is a PV, so this is a polyviscose, but as you can see, really, 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 that is a nice color. So, pretty impressive. I am very, very happy with this so far. I'm going to go try it on a little bit later. Right now, it's not the time for that. But I wanted to do an unboxing of my kilt. So, Kilts and Culture tartan from USA Kilts in Pennsylvania. Link will be down below in the comments on how to get to them if you're interested in kilts. Scottish, and there's some Irish and Welsh history and culture in the group. But it mainly concentrates on kilts, but there's a lot of other wonderful things too. So come on over and check it out. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I really, truly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please be a subscriber. It doesn't cost anything. I don't have any Patreon setups or anything. There's no money taken or asked for. Just hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. And also, please put in the comments below if you've had any experience with wearing kilts or if you enjoy them as well. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how this you think that the channel is going. So, on that note, thank you so much for watching. Let's say 73s, and thank you for this, and we'll talk to you again soon.